Sir, are you saying we're not allowed to take pictures here? Let me get you on film saying that, because you are incorrect. Sir, can I get a quick interview with you, please?
And didn't you get an announcement from Homeland Security about this thing? Or we were supposed to get it?
Okay, so he says we're not allowed to take pictures, but now he went and... Sir, there's no pictures allowed? Good. My name is Carlos Miller. I'm a local journalist, and we just happened to be taking video of the courthouse, and this gentleman yelled at me and said I was not allowed, but we know that's incorrect. That's not correct. There's no truth to that. So we're just wondering, why is he asserting some law that doesn't exist?
Okay, again, I don't know what transpired.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I just told you what transpired.
Okay, I'll take your word for
Mm-hmm.
it. Okay? We don't want a problem.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to cause you a problem.
Why don't you quit recording, huh?
What are you trying?
Why don't you quit recording?
What are you trying to achieve?
Why didn't I quit recording?
Yeah, why don't you quit recording?
Because this is what I'm doing, actually. No, I'm going to continue recording.
What are you trying
for
to
my protection and for your protection.
Sir.
To make sure we get the truth, because now you're saying there's two sides of a story, and I want to make sure we get the ones...
Could you extend the courtesy to allowing me to talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are you trying to do?
Don't answer that.
We...
Sir, I'm trying to be as helpful as I can,
I understand.
and already you
You're
don't
an
want...
attorney?
Oh, little dog. Well, look at the little dog. You're running. Watch out for the little doggy. Yeah, that little dog is going after someone a lot bigger than him.
Okay. Again, I'm trying to be as helpful as I can.
Yes.
Okay? And already this gentleman is being confrontation. I mean,
Well, he's just speaking his opinion. You know
well,
that.
Again, if
we-
I'm talking to you, why does he have to intervene? Okay? I'm trying to be helpful to you guys. We're trying to work. Trying to do what you want to do. If I find out, maybe we can reach a compromise of some kind. Okay? If you don't want to talk to me, that's fine. Okay? But I would appreciate it very much if I'm addressing this gentleman right here, if you stay out of the conversation. Okay? Thank you. Now, what are we doing?
We're videotaping. Okay, my name is Carlos Miller. I am a Miami journalist. I write about freedom to take pictures in public. That's what I do.
Okay, Carlos.
So I come here and I take pictures, and I get yelled at and saying I'm not allowed to take pictures.
Did I yell at you?
No, the other gentleman did.
Okay.
So that's it. And that's all. We're just.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would it be okay with you guys if you see 4th Street is restricted, okay, to the public, as you can see, it's federal property. Would you mind, and I'm asking, going to the public sidewalk?
Wasn't this a public sidewalk right here?
No, sir. This is part of 4th Street. It's a restricted area.
But it is public. It's public because it's not restricted to the public. We walked here without a problem.
Fine.
I mean,
Then the answer is yes or no. Very simple. I asked a question.
Can I ask you a question, sir? Are you aware of the court case that the Supreme Court just ruled on, that there's no expectation of privacy while you're out in public?
Sir, it doesn't have to come to that. I simply asked a question. The answer is yes or no.
but why is this guy enforcing a law that does not exist or trying to?
I don't know what transpired. Like I said, I'm trying to deal with this situation. If you allow the courtesy, then we might be able to reach a compromise. Okay? What is it? Yes or no? Would you mind? Do you have to have pictures taken from here?
Well, for the assignment we're doing, yes. I mean, for now, it's important we're doing this.
When I did come out here, you were on the property. Please don't go on the property, because otherwise I get in trouble for not doing my job. Would you do that?
So we're not allowed on this right here.
Do you mind pointing out exactly where?
Sir, on the property. Okay. This here is the sidewalk.
So who's allowed? Who's allowed on this property? So you have to be a federal employee to step on this property?
Sir, I don't know. I'm not an attorney. All I'm doing is my job. Okay.
Okay. Well, you've been very helpful, sir.
I'm giving you a hard time. Don't give me a hard time.
No, we're just trying to communicate.
That's
That's
fine.
all.
On the sidewalk. Fine. Okay.
All right, thank you.
How you doing, sir?
Listen. I'm cool with him. Go over there. You can't come over there, man. Stop.
Why there's private property?
Can you talk to me? You gotta go to the sidewalk, man.
Why, dude?
You're on federal property.
So that should be public property, technically.
2 liters, one. So you're on federal property.
Which means we're not allowed. How come these citizens are allowed and I'm not?
So you're on federal property. You're recording me.
Are you saying I'm not allowed to record you because it's federal property?
I got a person. He's recording federal property.
But there's no law against that.
All right, come this way. Come this way.
Oh, so now I'm allowed to be on federal property to record?
That's right. Come this way.
Okay.
You want to record me? Come this way.
Okay, where are you taking me? To a jail cell?
No, I'm not taking you to jail. I'm just making sure you're on federal property.
But there's no law against that. Oh, you're trying to trap me. You're trying to get me. Look, buddy, there's no law against filming on public property. How long have you been working here?
You see, I'm fine over there. You can record over there with no problems. I don't got no problem with you.
Okay.
But right now, you're just crossing the line. You're
But-
provoking me.
No, it's
You know what I mean?
okay. I want to ask you a legitimate
You
question.
came to me.
Okay.
Go ahead. Go ask me the question.
Do you believe there is a law that says you're not allowed to record on federal property?
I just follow the orders. That's it.
But so they're saying there's orders.
Any question, you're gonna ask the federal police.
Okay.
Hey, I'm gonna need federal police real quick. You know what I mean? This guy's provoking me.
Well, I'm not provoking you. I'm just
Sir,
recording
you.
you.
Came to me. I'm really quiet over here on my spot.
Right.
On my post, you provoking me, all right?
But by recording
Any
you?
question, you're gonna ask the federal police.
Okay.
No further questions.
All right. That's cool. Well, we'll wait for the federal police.
No, come this way. Come this way.
Well,
Come-
now you're telling me I'm provoking you.
No,
You're telling me to come
this
to
way.
you.
Why are you going over there?
Well, I'm
Why
trying
are
not to
going over
provoke
there
you.
for?
So now I'm walking towards you because you
All
invite
right,
me to
stay
get
right
closer,
there, okay?
and now I'm provoking you.
I want you to stay right
That
there.
sounds like entrapment to me, doesn't it?
All right. So what was the question?
Do you believe there's a law that says you're not allowed to record on?
You saying believe. When you believe in something, and when you believe in your mom? You believe in fact it's not believing?
No, I do believe
It's
in
going down already.
the law is pretty black and white in most cases. It says yes or no.
Okay.
So I believe what the law states, and I know for a fact the law says you are allowed to record on federal property.
Yeah.
I do know that for a fact. So that's why I'm asking you if you believe because
Okay, do you have a paper saying that?
you know,
Saying it?
not on me right now, but I mean, if you give me
Thank you. When you have that, you're
Well, I could-
allowed to go ahead to make it happen.
So I have to go
Right
home
now,
and print
you
it
don't
out?
have it. Huh?
So I have to go home and print it out. Where do I pull it up on my iPhone and show you? I can do that. But then I'll have to stop recording you because I'm using my iPhone.
No, you can go to the internet with your iPhone. I have an iPhone. Go ahead.
Yeah. It's on my website.
Man, you're incredible, man. You are
Now you're
incredible.
cool. I like, at least you're handling it well.
I'm quiet over here. I'm on my side. You know what I mean?
I know,
You're
I know.
federal property right now.
All
if
right,
you
all
go over where he at, I won't tell you nothing.
All right.
You know what I mean? Because that's city. You know what I mean? You go
Mm-hmm.
ahead. Okay, why from the beginning he didn't do it?
I can't speak for him. I don't know.
You see, you're
Oh.
gonna talk to him.
Okay, so am I allowed to leave the federal property
Yeah,
or go
no,
talk to the federal?
exactly. Now, where you going? Oh, come on, stay.
Well, I need to get the shot. I need to get closer to the Homeland Security
You gotta
truck.
come over here.
No, man, I need to get the truck because, this doesn't zoom in that well. So let me just get the shot here. We got Homeland Security who is pulled up on the scene. Okay, we got two of them here.
No, come this way. You're gonna come record it. Come this way. Yeah, come this way. Come on.
No, because you want to prove to them that I'm provoking you, so now you're inviting me on. But I need to actually stay here in the light because, we got a lot of shadows. All right, well, we had to... How you doing, sir?
How you doing, sir?
Good.
Top of the morning to you.
Yes, hi, I'm going to just stand over here because I do want to get this on film. And I
That's
want
fine
to
and dandy, but see, the problem
So here-
that I'm having up here with what you're doing is that you're interfering the performance of what the personnels are doing by what you're usually doing. Basically, you're harassing them, and you know how to do it. We've been through this before. You understand this? That fine citizen as we've been before. What can I help you with since I'm here?
I want to know if you guys believe it's illegal to record on the federal property.
Not at all. No, you can what do you mean record what? You mean take pictures outside?
Take
No,
pictures,
not at
take
all.
video,
Not
while
at
of the
all.
buildings of
Not at
the
all.
officials. As long as we're not,
Not at all.
harassing physically. We're not
No,
assaulting
not
you.
at all. But I'm not going to take anything from you. Do you? Is that a special permit or something that you have?
Yeah, it's
Where's it? Did you get it from? Where'd you get it from?
Supreme Court, sir.
Where did you get it?
Supreme Court.
Are you
Supreme Court
are you
rule.
soliciting this to up there?
Supreme Court ruling on
You and
photography,
I
sir.
have been through this.
We have.
You understand
Supreme
it?
Court ruling, sir.
I
Here is the
understand it.
Supreme Court ruling, right here.
Do not distribute that unless you have a permit. If you
Supreme
have a
Court
permit,
ruling, sir.
I have no
I'm not
problem.
distributing. I brought it for my
If you-
protection.
if you-
For my protection, sir.
Why? You feeling okay?
I'm always feeling okay.
Today I had 4 opportunities to be arrested, and we blew them all. We convinced the federal police not to arrest us. I mean, things are changing.
That's progress.
But
You know,
meanwhile, I didn't have any fun.
I did get some good video.